How to create a Discover Bank account. In this video, I'm walking you through how to create a Discover Bank account. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Discover's official online banking page. In the search bar, type in Discover Bank, then hit search. Now click on this. Now on the home page, you can see login right here. Click on it. Click on this register account in order to open an account. Now once you click on register account, you can see credit cards, banking, personal loans and home loans. You can simply tap on this register now right here. Now you'll be prompted to enter your card number. Just enter it and enter your last 4 digits of the SSN. Enter it, and once you enter it, tap on this continue. Now once you tap on continue, log in using your user ID and password. Let's just go back and tap on login. Now once you tap on login, you can provide the username and password and log in with it. And that's it. With this step, you are ready to create a Discover Bank account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.